Hello, Jerome here for Namah ropes, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit tricky. It's how to wrap a rope with two different diameters of rope, but one that is very thin. So in this case, I have here in back 9mm rope, and I have also my Ultralight Dyneema strand, which is 4mm. So this is a pretty advanced technique, and I would suggest that you only use this if you are quite experienced with rock climbing and ropes. So let me show you exactly how I set it up. So here is the setup. I have my first rope, which my partner is now rappelling on. So he's rappelling on a single strand. This rope goes through the link or the carabiner here, and what is blocking the rope is this knot. But in case this knot would slip through this biner, okay, if the biner was bigger, then I have a big biner and this is impossible that this goes through. And also the biner is clipped into the rope, so it's actually a closed loop, so it's very safe. And then I just made a simple knot and clipped it into my carabiner so I could recuperate when I get to the belay the rope. So this is a good technique if you want to climb lightweight. So I climbed this multi-pitch route with my friend, and we had just a single 50-meter strand of rope, and I had my Namah 4mm Ultralight Dyneema strand in the backpack. Very, very light, 7 grams per meter, and that allowed me to retrieve the rope and climb in a very lightweight fashion.